Hello, how are you? Today we are going to start with our first reading lesson, When Charlie Macbottom Lost Power, Part 1. By the end of the reading lesson, you will be able to read the vocabulary words correctly, read VCCV pattern words and sight words accurately, read sentences with appropriate intonation and speed, answer direct and indirect questions about the story. Use context clues to identify the meaning of any confusing or new word. Before we start reading, let's remember, every story has a title, the name of the book. Every story has an author, the person who writes the book or the story. Characters, the people, the animals, or creatures in the story, and the setting which tells where and when the story takes place, the place and the time. Every story has a problem, a solution, and a theme, the message or the moral or the lesson of the story. Before we start with the lesson, let us remember the vocabulary words that we took before. I will give you 1 minute to read the words that are in the box. After that, you're going to answer the riddles. Bat, battery, blue, plug, fuel, term, vision. Are you ready? The first riddle is: I am a verb. You do me when you make a current of air. This means you. Which word from above is a verb? It is very good, excellent. Blue or blow, both are correct. Number 2. I'm a noun. I'm a specific and limited time. I'm a turn. Very good. Number 3. I'm a noun. I have different sizes. I'm filled with chemicals that produce electrical power. I'm the different size, different shape. I'm the amazing battery, excellent. Number 4. I'm a noun. When you have the ability to think ahead and plan, this means you have. What do you have? You have vision, amazing. I'm a noun. I'm used as a source of heat or energy. I'm the wonderful. I'm the fuel. I'm a noun. I'm found at the end of the wire that is put into an outlet to make connection with the source of electricity. I'm the. We still have plug. Very good. The last one, I'm a noun. I fly at night to search for food. I have sensitive ears. I'm the. For sure, I'm the bat. After doing all the riddles, now it's time to start with our reading lesson. It is story time. Get your books, choose a comfortable place to sit, and let us start. Before we begin listening, we are going to observe the poster and answer the questions orally. Look at the poster carefully and answer the following questions. What is the title of the story? Who is the author of the story? Who do you think the characters of the story are? How does the boy in the poster feel? And why do you think he feels like that? Think of the answers. Now we are predicting. So when we finish listening, we are going to check the answers if they are correct or no. Now just predict. Now we are going to listen to the story. Get your reading books and we will start with the first part. Now, after listening to the story, we are going to answer the questions that we asked before. The first question: what is the title of the story? The title of the story is When Charlie McButton Lost Power. Number 2. Who is the author of the story? The author of the story is Susan Collins. Number 3. Who are the characters of the story? Till now, in this part, we saw 2 characters, Charlie and his mom. And number 4. How does the boy feel and why? Charlie was angry because the power went out and he could not play his electronic toys. Do you have the same answers? If you have the same answers, clap for yourselves. Excellent. Now, how do you think Charlie will spend his time? Since there is no power and no electricity, how will Charlie spend his time? Stay tuned. We are not going to tell you the answer now. Wait for us for tomorrow to know the answer. Take care.